is Peter Drury, and it is a real joy to say that I'm joined here by the distinguished analyst of our game, Mr. Jim Begley.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
It's an interesting-looking contest between one of the form teams of the moment. This could be really watchable. I've made a major appointment here. What's your take on it?
Well, there's a very good chance of goals in this one.
Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. A quick look at the lineups. So it's away we go then. Casemiro. Sergio Ramos. Marcelo. Hazard. Toni Kroos. Messi. Griezmann. Looking for space out wide. Toni Kroos. Carvajal. Marco Asensio. Oh, good work. He was quick to see the danger. Bruins. That's pretty clear. It is a foul. Toni Kroos. Big chance here. That is faded wide.
It's been such a promising start. These early attempts have really set the tone for this game. That's how you approach it.
Philippe Coutinho. Oh, that's a waste. Carvajal. Marco Asensio. Messi. Bruins. Piqué. Gets on the end of it. Modric. It's hit the upright.
Not one of his best efforts, but I've seen a lot worse.
Marco Asensio. Modric. Hazard. Now surely. Well, they tried to walk it in and they come away with nothing. Messi. Hazard. Great run this. He's covered quite a distance. De Jong. Griezmann. Bruins. Knocks one in. And he scores! A finish right from the top draw.
It's such a difficult technique to get that right, but he caught it perfectly. Kroos.
Looking to get within range. He's got away with one there.
They just can't afford to give this guy an inch today. He's on top form, and that was such a cleanly struck shot.
Bruins.
Marcelo. Casemiro. Determined run, but equally determined piece of defending. Benzema.
Bruins.
Sergio Busquets. Looking for options. Gets it into the middle. Hazard. He's had a shot!
Bruins.
Marcelo. Very keen on the aerial route.
Look, if you're good at it and instructed to carry on doing it, then you find a way of making it work. And they are.
Played into space out wide. Looking up to see who wants it. Messi. Oh, and look who's there doing the defending. Toni Kroos. It's on a plate. He'll try from distance. No joy, but a decent try.
There wasn't a lot of movement for him, so I think he had to have a go.
It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Philippe Coutinho. Marco Asensio. Benzema! Really well taken goal. And they are dragging it back. Game on again.
Oh, he found the net beautifully there with that trusty right foot.
Sergio Busquets. Messi. Philippe Coutinho. He's got the ball, he's got the space. Oh, the defence stood firm. Hoisted towards the area. Just sails past the upright.
They can be a bit trigger happy in trying their luck from range at times, but it's a threat that can't be taken lightly.
Carvajal. Modric. Looking for a decent ball in. finds himself offside.
Did so well to make use of the little space that was afforded to him. It wasn't easy, that.
Rafael Varane. Carvajal. Marco Asensio. Casemiro. Carvajal. Modric. Piqué. Bruins. Griezmann. Showing up brightly down his flank. Rafael Varane. Marcelo. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. Hazard. Big chance here. He's kicked it out. Oh, the keeper's done ever so well. Fired deep towards the back post. Messi. Bruins. And he's escaped his man. Messi hits it. A potential goal of the season contender, if only. Sergio Ramos. Toni Kroos. That's brave goalkeeping, really decisive. Brilliant! And the game is well and truly turned on its head.
So lethal with that right foot, and he's proved it with that goal.
Sergio Busquets chooses to go back. Eyeing that space. And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Bruins. Messi. Rafael Varane. Marco Asensio. Jordi Alba. Sergio Busquets. Into the channel. Chance, but it's gone begging.
I just don't think he's having the best of days by his standards, and that shot summed him up today.
Marco Asensio. Hazard. Stands over the ball. He'll be looking to dink one in. That's a good intervention. Things could have got far worse than that. Bruins. Decent looking ball. Whistle's gone, and they've got themselves a free kick. Oh, the keeper's equal to it. Marcelo. Hazard. Philippe Coutinho. And he's onside. Oh, great save. Real class. Carvajal. Marco Asensio. Messi. Philippe Coutinho. Well won, that's good play. Marco Asensio. Piqué. That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. Messi. Big chance here. With a gorgeous ball to set up the chance. Pity it's been wasted.
They just can't afford to give this guy an inch today. He's on top form, and that was such a cleanly struck shot.
That'll be a corner. In comes the cross. Marco Asensio. Defenders on the back foot. Eyeing that space. Modric. Toni Kroos. Going for goal! He's found his man. Philippe Coutinho. He's been caught there, it's a foul. Benzema. Toni Kroos. Oh, looking at that, the defence was beaten. He's kicked it out. Oh, the keeper's done wonderfully well there. Griezmann. That's beautifully weighted. Messi. Plays it in. Oh, should have put that away.
Oh, that was a chance to equalise. It should have been in the back of the net.
Carvajal. Looking odds-on to go in at the break with their advantage intact. Toni Kroos. With the foul. With a chance here to increase their lead. Clears it out of harm's way. Toni Kroos. Rafael Varane. Marcelo. He's got the ball, he's got the space. Worth a try. Shame about the outcome.
Not a lot more he could have done with that one. Great try.
Messi. He's off on a marauding run. He's missed, but not by that far.
They just can't afford to give this guy an inch today. He's on top form, and that was such a cleanly struck shot.
Well, that's not going to go down too well with his teammates. Chance to break. Fires from distance.
Two additional minutes being shown on the board now.
Philippe Coutinho. No joy, but a decent try. Marcelo. Casemiro. Toni Kroos. And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. He just just whacks it away.
Bruins.
Dashing forward at pace. He's got the ball, he's got the space. Back of the net. That could turn out to be a big, big goal.
All credit to the attacker there, but you have to ask questions of that defence. What were they doing?
And the half-time whistle goes. Jim, what are you thinking? That gets things going for the second half.
Well, it was an entertaining first 45 minutes, to put it mildly. Both teams showing plenty of respect. Perhaps they were too respectful.
Tony Kroos. Outstanding save to keep that out. And it's been taken short. He's taking on the lot of them. Well, needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. De Jong. Big chance here. With a gorgeous ball to set up the chance. Pity it's been wasted.
I just think he's on fire today. That was a great, great strike.
Marcelo. Casemiro. Philippe Coutinho. Tries to dink it in. Rafael Varane. Marco Asensio. Well, that's pretty clear. It is a foul. Casemiro. Tony Kroos. He's off on a marauding run. Repelled by the keeper. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Looking for space out wide. Does well to read it and intercepts. Oh, great ball!
Bruins.
Well, there is a perfect illustration as to what can happen when an attack breaks down. And the keeper can swallow it up. Marcelo. Casemiro. Marcelo. Ah, good steal. He just read it. And the referee has brought play back and showed him a yellow card.
Well, he's the quarterback equivalent, so I'm not surprised that he's being closed down first.
Hazard. Casemiro. Benzema. He's left his man. Benzema! Oh, taken with style. And already they're looking to run away with it. His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick. Sergio Busquets. Clement. Looking for options. Not a good throw at all, really. He's given away possession cheaply. Well, they've broken out here, and this could be the moment. Tony Kroos. He's picked him out. Knocks it away. to the goalkeeper. Casemiro. Marco Asensio. Toni Kroos. Gets on the end of it. Oh, well intercepted. Really alert to the danger. Sergio Busquets.
Bruins.
And it's been given away. Now the pass. Looking to break out here. Plays it out wide. He's left his man. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Benzema! And it's hoisted clear. Philippe Coutinho. Carvajal. Marco Asensio.
Bruins.
Toni Kroos. Modric. Casemiro. Marcelo. Toni Kroos. Marcelo gets into some space. He's taking on the lot of them. Oh, it's come off the upright.
Did brilliantly to get a shot away from there.
Almost an hour gone. Benzema. He's playing out on the wing now. He's off on a marauding run. Defence has got rid of that. Messi. De Jong. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Messi. De Jong. Sergio Busquets. He's had a go! Oh, that's brilliant! That could turn out to be a big, big goal.
I'm not sure he meant that exactly, but a beautifully taken strike nonetheless. He kept it away from the keeper and saw the shot come off the right hand.
Casemiro. Marcelo. Eyeing that space. Has a swing at it. Marcelo. Did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Oh, he's going to be upset with himself there. Set up beautifully by a pass that warranted a better finish.
We just can't afford to give this guy an inch today. He's on top form, and that was such a cleanly struck shot.
Benzema. And it's hoisted clear. De Jong. Dembele. Philippe Coutinho. Rafael Varane. Really dangerous moment there. Can't afford many of those. Good, strong hand by the keeper. And he scores! And already they're looking to run away with it.
I know questions will be asked of that defence, but there was an element of good fortune.
Busquets. Philippe Coutinho. It's on a plate. And it's a corner. Hoisted towards the area. Philippe Coutinho. Can hoist it clear. Benzema. Has it out wide and in space. And he showed him a clean pair of heels. Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different. Jordi Alba. De Jong. Benzema. No way through there. Dembele. Now the counter. Has a hit! And he should have made it four.
There wasn't a lot of movement for him, so I think he had to have a go.
Marcelo. Casemiro. Sergio Ramos. Marcelo. Hazard. Modric. Oh, he's showing a distinct lack of urgency. Just a quarter of an hour to play. PK. Philippe Coutinho. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Nigel de Jong. He's done very well to get to that. In towards the middle. Who's ball? Who's going to get there? He's off on a marauding run. He's put it wide.
In this sort of form, he could score a hatful today.
Sergio Ramos. Marcelo. Hazard. Benzema. Oh, there was plenty on that.
What an effort that was. He's done very well from that distance.
Toni Kroos. PK. Philippe Coutinho. Gets into the right position to intercept. Modric. Benzema. Philippe Coutinho. I think that's offside. Yes, it is.
He does like coming inside, doesn't he? Like he did for that chance there. Something his team have benefited from lately.
Marcelo. Hazard. It's on a plate. Carvajal. Knocks it away. Tony Kroos. Oh, great chance! Well won. He knew what he had to do, and he did it well. Messi. Sergio Busquets. Dembele. Big chance here. It's in! All too easy. They are in danger of disappearing out of sight.
Look, that was a truly magical moment, and it was a privilege to sit here and witness it.
Dembele. Modric. Messi. Marcelo. Hazard. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Too much on that, it's gone out. De Jong. Pjanic. Philippe Coutinho. Gets on the end of it. And that's wide.
Oh, he ought to have done better then. He was wide open in the box.
Sergio Ramos. Hazard. Let down by a lack of accuracy. Sergio Ramos.
5 minutes to go to full time, and the scores are level. Still enough time for a goal, and who knows, at this stage, probably the winner.
Here's the chance to cross. Pjanic. Marcelo. Let down by a lack of accuracy. Marco Asensio. Tony Kroos. Shooting chance. Really well taken goal. A finish right from the top draw.
Oh, that was an exquisite through ball. He took the chance so well. That's a really good finish.
So
Ruins.
Tony Kroos. Marco Asensio. Sticks it away. And with the match still in its infancy, they are easing away.
Straight up the left upright and into the goal. The keeper at that.
Ruins.
Pjanic. Dembele. Goes for goal. Oh, the keeper's done ever so well. In towards the middle. Showing up brightly down his flank. Jordi Alba. Philippe Coutinho. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Sensational! And already they're looking to run away with it.
It's always a dangerous time
Benzema. Just too high.
Oh, if they'd score there, that was it. Game, set and match.
Benzema. Hazard. Speculative strike. Whistle goes. He's been given offside.
Must have thought he was in with such a sharp turn. Unlucky, but clever thinking.
Hazard. Big chance here. And the shot. Took a deflection. Decent enough try. The whistle has gone and it is all over.
They've done it. A great win for them here. They did everything possible to ensure the victory, and their supporters are going wild.